In the ever-evolving world of gaming, having the right equipment not only affects your performance but also your health. One of the pivotal elements in this setup, ensuring both comfort and correct posture, is the gaming chair. Greetings, tech enthusiasts! It's a brand new day, and we're here with some electrifying insights. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the best gaming chairs in 2023. So without further ado, let's dive into the video and subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Secretlab Titan Evo. The Secretlab Titan is the benchmark by which we judge all other gaming chairs. To earn that role, it ticked all the boxes you could ask of gaming furniture. It's comfy, supportive, and importantly looks great too. None of that has changed with the Secretlab Titan Evo 2022, either, which is the latest chair out of the Secretlab lot. Rather than tread old ground, let's get right into the good stuff. Secretlab is posing the Titan Evo to a wide audience, with 3 available sizes: small, regular, and extra large. The benefit of this being you'll no longer need to look to a different model of chair to find the right fit. The Titan Evo should cover most bases. Secretlab's Titan Evo chair introduces a subtle seat base curve for improved posture, though its effectiveness remains debatable. Nevertheless, the chair offers ample comfort with generous foam padding. Designed for extended gaming sessions or lengthy work hours, the Titan Evo excels in user-friendly ergonomics. Its outstanding built-in back support is highly adjustable, ensuring a perfect fit. Notably, the 4D armrests and magnetic head cushion enhance convenience and comfort. The adjustable lumbar support, operated via side dials, eliminates the need for awkward pillows and allows real-time adjustments. The chair's upholstery, whether in soft weave plus fabric or hybrid leatherette, impresses with its immaculate finish and breathability. Combining the best of Secretlab's previous models, the Titan Evo surpasses its predecessors in every aspect. While it comes at a slightly higher price of $449, $499 for the XL model, its notable upgrades make it a worthwhile investment. Moving on from the luxury of Secretlab, let's see how Corsair competes with its TC100 Relaxed. Number 2. Corsair TC100 Relaxed. As always, Corsair has waltzed into the gaming chair space with a refined racer-style chair that's not going to have you remortgaging for the privilege of sitting in it. If you're happy to make a couple of sacrifices, this is certainly a good contender for the best cheap gaming chair. Right now, the Corsair T3 rush keeping us going on the side of affordable gaming chairs, so I was expecting great things from this new addition to the ecosystem. And I've not been disappointed. In a lot of ways, the TC100 and T3 gaming chairs are highly comparable, not least in their simple colorway and 160 degrees recline. But the main thing to point out is the price difference. At $70/£100 less than the T3, you expect some kind of compromise from the TC100, but I have yet to discern how Corsair has managed to drop the price so much and for essentially more chair. The TC100 Relax gaming chair offers a shorter 81 cm backrest, but compensates with a broader design, extra seat cushioning, and gentler bolster angles, catering to a relaxed and comfortable seating experience. For those with stockier builds or shorter stature, this chair is accommodating. The headrest attachment, while practical, could benefit from longer straps for improved adjustability. The chair includes comfortable headrest and cushions. One drawback lies in the 2D armrests, offering limited adjustability compared to chairs with 4D armrests. Nevertheless, the shorter distance between armrests allows for elbow rest. Assembly reflects its affordable price point, with some minor challenges due to synthetic material around the holes. Priced at $250/£200, the TC100 Relaxed presents an attractive option for budget-conscious gamers, with only minor compromises promising a bright future for affordable gaming chairs. Number 3. New Chair. We've been recommending the New Chair as the best office/task chair for years, even since before I joined as overlord of PC Gamer's hardware coverage. As I'd not had the privilege of trying out the chair for myself, however, I wanted to make sure that it was a recommendation I could stand behind. But I can't. Instead, it's a recommendation I have to sit on because it sure is a comfy chair. Coming from the same stable as our favorite gaming chairs, the Secretlab Titan Evo. It's no surprise that the new chair is an outstanding seat, but it is very much a task chair, not a gaming chair. By that I mean it's designed to be used while working at a desk, not to lounge in while kicking back with a controller in hand. It's not that it's uncomfortable in its fully reclined state, but even with the optional headrest, it's not a position that you're going to want to be sat in for a long-haul gaming session. The active position, however, is perfectly supportive, and I really feel like my spine is being looked after by that mesh backing and adjustable lumbar support. The wide seat feels good, though is certainly not as giving as some squishier gaming chairs I've parked my posterior in. The new chair prioritizes ergonomic support, forcing me into a proper seated posture, which is beneficial for my well-being during the workday. Although I occasionally crave lounging in the evening, this office-focused chair excels in its intended role. Smart controlled shift controls beneath the armrests enable easy recline adjustment within the 85, 100, and 30 degrees range and chair height modification. With its durable industrial build, the new chair suits various settings and is backed by a substantial 12-year warranty, partly justifying its higher price point. It stands as one of the most comfortable office chairs I've experienced. Its price is $919. If you have a keen interest in acquiring the gaming chairs, we've embedded affiliate links within the description below. Not only can you procure top-tier gadgets, but you also lend invaluable support to our channel in the process. Number 4. Logitech GX Herman Miller Embody. Perhaps you've heard of the Herman Miller Embody. It occupied a top position in our best office chair roundup for a long time, but that has come to an end. Not for lack of comfort or acclaim, simply because the famed chair manufacturer has partnered up with Logitech to create something tailor-made to our gaming rooms. It's a $1,595 gaming chair. For the most part, the Herman Miller x Logitech G Embody actually isn't a complete departure from the Embody of old. A tried, tested, and widely recognized design, the gaming Embody comes in a new black and blue colorway, with plain black also available if you're going for a more sober look. There's also a small Logitech G brand toggle on the rear that doesn't serve any purpose that I know of, and a Logitech G logo across the upper band of the backrest. The Logitech collaboration may not add much flair, but the Embody chair's subtle branding sets it apart from typical gaming chairs. It exudes a touch of class. What truly distinguishes the Embody is its adherence to a proven design. It's among the finest chairs for both office work and gaming, offering enduring comfort, promoting healthy posture, and easy customization for your body. Upon its arrival, the Embody's massive box presented a challenge. However, once unboxed, one of Herman Miller's best features emerged. The chair comes fully assembled, sparing you the hassle of screws and disposable tools. Notably, this chair allows you to sit comfortably all day, crucial for desk-bound tasks. Its 12-year warranty, inclusive of labor, and suitability for 24-hour use ensure a wise long-term investment, making the initial cost worthwhile. Number 5. Noble Chairs Hero. When buying a gaming chair, it's easy to forget your health. After all, most are advertised as luxurious, cushioned thrones that soothe your every ache as you smash the crap out of your foes in Apex Legends. But that isn't true, and for some, it's important to pick a chair that takes back support seriously. With some of the team having used it daily for almost a year, we can thoroughly recommend the Noble Chairs Hero in UPVC leather. While not the most exciting of chairs or the sportiest, it certainly does a good job of taking care of your back. The Hero is easy to assemble, except for the bit where you attach the back to the seat, so make sure you have a buddy for that. It's firm and supportive and extremely sturdy. It's a $549 gaming chair. It is substantial, so if you prefer a softer chair that isn't as good for your lumbar, this maybe isn't for you. The Hero gaming chair impresses with its robust presence. Its cold cure-pressed foam seat offers a balance of firmness and comfort, promoting better posture. Over time, it softens while maintaining its aesthetic appeal. Pivoting armrests are a practical feature, movable when using a gamepad, and fully adjustable in height and width. However, their generous width may lead to occasional corner leaning, potentially causing elbow fatigue. Stay tuned for more insightful reviews and exciting content coming your way soon. We genuinely appreciate your support. The adventure continues, and remember, game on and take care.